Okay, so it's starting to rain a little bit more and get a little bit stormier. There's the beach. Really can't see very far out this time, can you?
Feel the wind now.
The wind is getting a little bit more. Kind of comes and it goes. Pull back a little bit. There, it's not coming there, but a minute ago it was really blowing.
In our hurricane wheel, all the stores were closed. And this is all we had in our fridge.
Oh yeah, there was no restaurants open, no stores open. So we're having eggs and guacamole.
Leftover steak.
Leftover steak with eggs, and we made some guacamole, and we had some chips. So there's our dinner.
And our lunch.
And our lunch. And maybe we'll get a little bit of, I don't know, I think the wind will come and go. So I'm going to turn this off now.